Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about why I believe affiliate marketing is your best bet if you're looking to make money online, especially if you're new to all this. Most people think that to make money online you need to create your own products and then build a website to sell them. Well, the method I'm going to talk about today doesn't require you to create your own products, build your own website, or even handle any customer service, shipping or returns. It's called affiliate marketing. In my opinion, it's probably the best way to make money online, especially if you're a beginner and you're starting from scratch. But I want to be totally upfront and honest with you. If it was really as simple as all that, everyone would be doing it and everyone would be rich. You see, there's a right way and a wrong way to do affiliate marketing, and unfortunately, most people go about it all wrong. Done correctly, affiliate marketing can be very profitable. And if you watch this video, I'll show you exactly why I believe affiliate marketing is the best way for you to make money online. Now, before we get on to all that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video, and also the subscribe button. Now when you hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's get to the crux of the matter. Why affiliate marketing beats the rest. Affiliate marketing is an arrangement where the merchant or product owner agrees to pay a commission to someone for any sales created through their referrals. And nothing beats affiliate marketing in terms of the returns it offers and how quickly you can have your affiliate business up and running. Here's why I believe this is the best online business model, especially for those of you who are new to making money online. With affiliate marketing, there is no need to create your own product. Basically, you will just promote other people's products for which you will be paid a commission. There are very low startup costs. All you need is a computer with Wi-Fi connection and a few low-cost tools to help automate a lot of the marketing for you. Indeed, some of these tools are available for free. It's quite possible to start out with free marketing methods, and even if you decide to use paid marketing methods, it's quite possible to start testing for as little as $5 to $10 a day. There's no customer service to worry about. There's no need to spend a whole lot of time writing sales copy, sorting out merchant accounts, and all the hassles of setting up your own business. Basically, you just choose to promote one of the many products available online and start making commissions. With affiliate marketing, someone else creates the product, builds a website, handles all the shipping and customer service, and your job is to simply send people to that website using a special link. If you're looking to generate an income online using a tried and tested method, affiliate marketing is hard to beat. Now let me be clear about something right here. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There will be some work involved. Basically, you will be acting as a middleman. You will partner with a company or individual and they will pay you a commission for sending them customers who end up purchasing their product or products. Now hopefully you can see why affiliate marketing is a great option, especially for anyone just starting out looking to make money online. But a word of warning, most people who try affiliate marketing fail. Like most things, there's a right way and a wrong way to go about it. Done properly, affiliate marketing can be very profitable. Unfortunately, there's a lot of misinformation online and many people peddle so-called push-button solutions that simply don't work. You see, successful affiliate marketing really comes down to having the right system in place. There are actually just 4 steps you need to learn and apply to become a successful affiliate marketer. If you check out the link in my description just below this video, you'll discover how you can get access to a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal exactly what those 4 steps are and how you need to apply them to grow a profitable affiliate business. I highly recommend you take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training video. By watching this free online video, you will know the 4 key things you need to learn and apply to become a successful affiliate. This information alone will save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in wasted money and many hours of wasted time. So make sure you go below and click the link and watch the free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button where it says subscribe, then clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will notify you when I release a new video. Thank you.